Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absorbent. 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 Absorbent is an adjective used to describe materials or substances that have the ability to soak up liquids or other substances. These materials are often used for cleaning or drying purposes. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Paper towels are popular because they are highly absorbent and can quickly soak up spills. Why absorbent is used in example number 1. In this example, absorbent describes the quality of paper towels that makes them effective for cleaning spills. Example number 2. Many diapers on the market use absorbent materials to keep babies dry. Why absorbent is used in example number 2. Absorbent is mentioned here to describe the materials used in diapers to absorb moisture. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.